So hey guys, welcome to the new video. Today in this video we are going to see that how can you scrape data of a website using BeautifulSoup library, which is a Python based library used for web scraping. So firstly what we have to do is we have to move in our VS Code and we have to create a file named as scraper.py, or you can like have any other name. This is totally your choice. So we will be needing two modules here. One is you can say request, pip install. Just type this command here, pip install requests, and then beautiful soup 4. These two modules will be required. Let's wait for a few seconds. Since I have already installed this, so this is showing requirement already satisfied. Now what you have to do is just simply close this terminal, go here in this file and type import requests, not pip, import requests, then from bs4, that is beautiful soup 4, import beautiful soup. Okay, and then what you have to do is you have to give the URL of the website from which you want to scrape the data. Like this is the one, example.com, but we will change this website within a few seconds. So okay, then what you have to do is you have to get the response from this particular URL. For that you have to assign a response variable which will use this requests module to get the data from the URL. Okay, then what you have to do is you have to create a soup object which will be using this this class from the bs4 module. Okay, since we are parsing HTML page, that's why we are using HTML parser. Then what you have to do is now we will do one thing. We will use this website. Just a second guys. We will use quotes dot to scrape. Let me show you this website. Okay, yeah, you just have to type. You just have to go with codes2scrape.com. This is an open source website used for, you can say, this is generally used for scraping, just like testing your scraping programs or anything else, you can say. Okay, then go here, and now I will create a variable named as quotes which will contain all the data from this. Yes, we will do this. This will use this particular object, and then this will find all the divs. You can see this example where class is quote. Okay, let's go in this and check its HTML. Okay, so this is a quote. This must contain a class. You can see this class. This here class is quote, so we will be using class quote, and this is a div. You can see this div with class quote. So now what you have to do is we will just simply traverse each and every quote, since it is a list of quotes got using, you can say, HTML parsing. Okay, so yes, we will go with this command for quote in quotes. We have to get the author and the text. That will be enough for us. We can just remove this tags one. Okay, so what we have to do is let me tell you what this is actually doing. This is a text variable used for a particular quote. Like this is a particular quote, I will be using a text variable to fetch this text. Okay, and then text author, and then I will just remove this. Okay, so now what you have to do is Firstly you have to get the text, that is class text. You can see this will be a class text. Let's go and check this. You can see this here we are using a text class, so this will fetch text class and then store it in this particular variable, and this will also do the same for author class. So this is our basic program for fetching, you can say, codes using BeautifulSoup library. Okay, let's run this program. This will take some seconds to fetch data. You can see this is the code and this is the author name. So in this video you have seen that how can you fetch data of a particular website using BeautifulSoup library. So yeah guys, that's all for this video. Now let's see you next time.